the change of the states of matter, we have sublimation, solid gas melting, boiling / vaporization / evaporation. And then on the other side, from gas to solid, it's a deposition. Then you have condensation and freezing. The mole concept and chemical formulas, page 2. Moles and Avogadro's constant. A mole is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 of something. The molar mass, G mole minus 1, it defines how many grams is 1 mole of something. 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23 is the Avogadro constant, which you can write an A or L as an A or L. The relative atomic mass, AR, is the mean of the mass of the isotopes of a substance that are found in nature. You use this for molecules. And the relative molecular mass, MR, is the sum of AR in a molecule. And the relative formula mass is the sum of relative ionic masses used for ionic compounds.